Hi, Dr. Katina here. I just wanted to jump in and give you a really great activity for kids that are sensory seekers, kids that might need to channel a lot of energy. Maybe it's a rainy day and you can't get outdoors, or you're just in your stuck indoor routine and you're just looking to spice it up and do something different. So this activity will be geared for that. And remember, if you need anything else, just go onto YouTube, look up OT tips and tricks for kids, and within that there are over 200 free videos, so you'll get a lot of ideas, as well as looking into the Facebook group Sensory Bee, which has under its announcements section free sensory lessons and lots of great hacks. So let's get started. For this one, you'll have your child pick any color crayon. If you have siblings in the house, you can do this as a game, because what this is called a crayon race. So the idea is you can use a regular crayon that's brand new. You can use broken crayons, bits of crayons, but the idea is that everyone has the same length crayon, or roughly the same length, and you want to see who can rub it down to the nub the fastest. So you instruct the kids, and you can join in this game as well, to really press as hard and as quickly as they can back and forth like this, and then see who gets to the bottom the quickest. Now, of course, if you were doing this in a real game, you're going to need to take off the paper, okay? But this can last 10 minutes, 15 minutes, depending on the original length of the crayon. But it's a really fun way to channel energy. They get to press, they get to color really rapidly back and forth. And if you have any kind of scrap papers, envelopes, anything in the house that is scrap, if you don't have regular paper, you can just use that as well. But you're pressing, you're rubbing, and you're seeing who will get to the bottom first and who will win. So it's a really easy game. It's a really fun one, especially if you have tons of crayons in a crayon bin and you're looking to do something different and spice it up. So that is the activity for indoors, and I hope that you have a lot of fun with it. That's all.